Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. As usual, before we get started, make sure you have a pencil and paper so that you can take proper notes as you follow along. Hope you're having a wonderful day. We're almost to the weekend, so let's make it these last 2 days of the week great. All right, so let's jump right in. Our topic today is solving one-step equations. Once you complete this video, you'll be able to use substitution models or properties of mathematics to solve equations. And in this video, we're going to focus on the last part. We're using properties to solve mathematical equations. All right. First, I need for you to recall that inverse operations are addition and subtraction, and multiplication and division. We're going to use that to solve the following subtraction equations. And the other, word or terms that mean inverse is the addition property of equality, which basically is the same thing as using your inverse operation. So let's just jump right into our first equation, which is going to be x minus 4 equals 6. So I have a strategy. I've shown it in one or two of my previous videos, but I'll go over it again. I like to use a house and a street to kind of help guide me through, and it'll be helpful especially once you get into more complicated equations. So I make my equal sign, my street. I put a house around the term that includes the variable that I want to solve for. And then if you recall, your equal sign or your street separates your equation into two separate parts, a left side and a right side. You always want to start on the side that includes the house. And then the first step is going to be moving the term that's not in the house. So as you can see, my minus 4 is not in the house. That's where you start. So in order for you to shift minus 4 so that it's not on this left side anymore, you're going to use what we call the inverse operation. And as I've just mentioned, the inverse of subtraction is addition. So in order to do so, you're going to have to add 4 to both sides of the street. Once you do that, minus 4 plus 4 is 0, but as mathematicians, we say that it cancels out. 6 plus 4 simplifies to 10. I'm going to bring down my equal sign, bring down my term that's inside the house, which is x, and I've done my one step, and I have now that x equals the value of positive 10. I'll take it a step further just to show you that you can check your answer. So you want to rewrite the original problem. I'm going to shift this up some. Yeah, that K is pretty ugly. All right, so anyways, I'm going to rewrite my original problem, which is x minus 4 equals 6. I'm going to put a question mark around the equal sign because I'm testing to make sure that my answer was correct. And my value for x was 10. So in the place of x, I'm going to put 10 minus 4. And again, I'm testing that to see if it'll equal 6. 10 minus 4 does simplify to 6. 6 always equals itself. So that just lets me know that my answer is correct. So my value for x was 10. Let's try another one. So let's try this one. Y minus 8 equals 12. Again, I'm going to use my house street strategy. My equal sign is my house. My equal sign is my street. My house goes around the term that I'm trying to solve for or isolate. And then you start by shifting or moving the term that is not inside of the house. So minus 8 is not inside the house. So I'm going to shift it by using my inverse operation. Inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. What you do to one side of the street, you must do to the other. Again, as mathematicians, we know that minus 8 plus 8 is 0. But in this case, we just say that it cancels. I'm going to bring down my y, my term that's in the house, my equal sign, and then simplify. 12 plus 8 gives me 20. So my value for y is 20. Again, you can check. I'll check over here to the side. I'm going to rewrite my original problem, which was y minus 8 equals 12. In the place of y, I'm going to put the value that I found for y, which was 20. Oh, I forgot my question mark. Remember, you're putting your question mark there because we don't know if it's a true statement yet, so we're trying to test it out. All right, so in the place of y, I put 20, bring down my minus 8, and we're trying to test to make sure that equals 12. And 20 minus 8 simplifies to 12. And 12 always equals itself, so 12 equals 12. That lets me know that my answer is correct. All right, so again, that was solving one-step equations, solving specifically subtraction equations, using your property, your addition property of equality, which we refer to in simple terms as the inverse operation. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. Make sure you share. Make sure you enable your notification for when I post videos. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.